Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony and in today's video we're going to talk about something that's really exciting. Oh my god. It's been a long time coming, but we're going to talk about my monetization and the monetization process in general. Now, it's taken me quite a while to reach the kind of criteria that you need to get monetized on YouTube. It's actually taken me almost 2 years. Now, the first video that I posted was in March of 2019 and today is the 24th of January 2021, so just under 2 years. But let me just say, within that 2 years I didn't post any YouTube videos for around 6 months, so I feel that if I would have posted videos in then 6 months I may have got to the monetization criteria sooner. But for people who don't know what is monetization and what is the monetization criteria, well, monetization on YouTube is where you can use your videos to then generate an income and money via advertisement. So if you're watching a YouTube video and at the beginning of that video there is an advert, or in between it, that content is monetized, and every time you watch that ad, the YouTuber gets a certain proportion of that money. The criteria that you need to get to in order to become monetized is you need 1,000 subscribers and you also need to reach within 1 year 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, if you don't reach 4,000 hours in your first year, it rolls over to the next year and the year after that and the year after that. In the last year, I have now gained 4,000 hours. Now, I noticed last night that I was on 3,993 hours, so 7 hours away. And then when I woke up this morning, I had around 4,007 hours total. And then a little bar came up on the monetization screen on my YouTube studio where it says available to monetize. Now, what I thought I would do is do a little video and document my process through monetization. And what I didn't realize is how long it takes to get monetized. So let me talk through what I've actually done so far. So once you click this little button, you then move on to a new screen, which I'll show you now, and it takes you through the different processes. So the first process is review the partner program terms, and that's basically just reading through and ticking that you agree and that you accept their terms and conditions. From then, you have to set up a Google AdSense account. Now, it's really easy. It's just a little button that you click and it takes you to another screen, and it's Google AdSense, and you just sign up, and it's really super easy. What I didn't realize is that it can take up to 2 weeks for your AdSense account to get approved. Now, what is a Google AdSense account? Well, a Google AdSense account is the account that the money gets paid into first before it goes into your bank. It's kind of like the PayPal for YouTube. I signed up for that and it says it's currently in progress, and before I can move on to the next stage, that has to be approved. Now, what I want to do for this video is obviously document the process through. So I've already done step 1, I've halfway done step 2, so I'm just waiting for that to be approved, and then we have to move on to step 3. But step 3 can take a while as well. It says it can take up to 2 to 3 months for YouTube to actually agree to monetization and review your channel and make sure it follows their guidelines and policies. So as I say, I'm going to take you through this process in this video. So the next stage is waiting for my AdSense to be approved, and then after that it will be getting reviewed and hopefully getting monetized. So by the end of this video you'll know if I am monetized or not. Okay, so really good news. It's later in the evening, it's about 5 o'clock, and I've just got a notification on my YouTube that my AdSense has now been approved. Prior to this, I was under the impression it could take anywhere between a few days to a couple of weeks, but it's managed to get through in a few hours. So that's really positive. So maybe this monetization process is going to be a lot quicker than I think. So now I'm in the step 3, so I'm getting reviewed, which is really good. And it basically says YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. Due to a recent global event, please expect delays in application review. So that basically means that it's delayed compared to where it was like prior to the pandemic. So who knows how long it's going to take. So the next time you see me will either be a check-in or it will be good news, so we'll see. Well, hello again. Oh my god. Okay, so since I last picked up my camera, I said I would let you know when I got monetized, and I have finally been monetized. Oh my god, I am so happy. I can't believe I've actually reached this point. So yeah, I'm really grateful. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for watching it for enough time and subscribing to be able to enable me to be monetized. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Last time I picked up my camera, I said the process could actually take a month or 2 months, and because of the pandemic, it could actually be delayed a little bit longer than that. So can you guess how long it's actually been since I last picked up my camera? Okay, I'm just gonna put you out of your misery. It has been less than 24 hours. What? Like, I don't know any other YouTubers. I don't know whether it's normal to get monetized within 24 hours, but from everything that I've heard, it takes months. So to get monetized and approved to go on the partner program within 24 hours, then I'm so happy about that. And it's even better for me because the earlier that I get accepted, the quicker I can start making money from my videos. So I did my AdSense, and then I also got monetized within the same day. So that's really good. That's such a big achievement. Now, I've read through all the terms and conditions, and basically I have to go through each and every one of my videos that I want to monetize, turn the monetization on, and then choose where I want to put the ads, whether it be at the beginning, the middle, the end, or wherever it is. I'm gonna try and not overload people with ads because I don't want my videos to slow down with traction because ads are getting in the way. So I'll probably be quite sparing when I put my ads on. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go away for a couple of days, but it'll be like 2 seconds to you, and I'll show you how much I've earned in my first maybe day or 2 days being monetized, so you can see how much a small YouTube channel can make. And then maybe in the future I will make a full video on how much money I've made in my first week, then maybe my first month, and then eventually my first year, so you can see how much I've made and you can see how much I've progressed, and then you can come along with me on that journey. So if you want to see that, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up so I know, and please leave a comment about more kind of YouTube things that you'd like to see. Let's cut to 2 days when I can tell you how much I've made for my first few days of being monetized. So I've been officially monetized for 2 days now. This is the second day, but the way that YouTube kind of shows you the money that you've earned is 2 days in arrear. So I can't see what I've earned today. I can only see what I've earned yesterday, if that makes sense, because it's a full day behind. So I'm showing you what I've earned on Monday, and currently it is Wednesday. Does that make sense? Okay, yeah. How much have I earned for my first day being monetized? Now, I just want to go through some other analytics with you first before I actually disclose how much I've earned in that one day. So let me just show you on the screen. In the month of January, let's just take it from there, I've had 13,266 views total for January for my channel. It is currently the 27th of January. And as I said, it goes from the 1st to the 26th. So it's a day in arrears, and the actual money comes through 2 days in arrears. So this is up to yesterday, which is Tuesday, and the money is up to Monday. Yeah, so total watch hours is 480. I've also gained 213 subscribers so far. I never thought I'd hit the point where I was hitting 200 subscribers a month, so this is really good news. And overall, for my first day monetized, I have earned a grand total of £1.25. Now, as I say, yes, I know this isn't a massive amount of money. Did I expect to be earning more? No, not really. I was hoping to earn around £1 a day for the first couple of months, just until my YouTube starts to kind of snowball and go off. But, you know, to earn over that £1 a day, I am really happy with that. Now, what I need to sort of mention is that when I got monetized, all my videos weren't automatically monetized. As I've said, I had to go through and individually monetize every single one. I didn't actually realised there was a button at the top that I could just put monetize all. So I actually spent an hour going through all my videos that I've done, and I've got about 90 to 100 videos. If you haven't watched them, go ahead and watch them. So yesterday I got maybe 580 views. Actually, I can tell you how many views I got. I got 564 views yesterday, but only around 370 views were counted for monetization. So I missed out on 200 views, and I kind of did a little rough calculation. I divided £1.25 by the 370 and then times that by 564. So my actual earnings for that day, if I was monetized on the dot when I actually got approved, would have been around £1.80, which is amazing, and I'm so thrilled by that. Overall, really pleased that I have now been monetized, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you follow along on my journey. Eventually I'll do a video saying my first month, and that'll probably be the end of February because that'll be my 1 month full earnings for a month, and then I'm going to do a 6 months review, and then I'm going to do a 1 year review, so you can come along on my journey as well and you can see how much I'm going to be earning from my YouTube channel. And I do feel like money, especially in Britain, is a taboo subject that no one speaks about, and I don't really get that. I watch a lot of YouTubers like Patricia Bright and Paul, I can't remember his last name, I think it's like Briscoe or something. I'll leave links to both of their channels down below. But I watch a lot of their content and they always talk about money, and I think it's really sort of refreshing to talk about money, how much you're earning and all of that sort of stuff. So if you want more content like that, where I disclose how much I've earned from Etsy, how much I'm earning from Shutterstock, YouTube now, and all of that sort of stuff, how much I'm earning from my freelance in a month, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to share that information with you. But for now, that's everything for today's video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Please also check out my Etsy shop where you can buy cards and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life, and it really helps support this channel. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Cha cha cha. Bye.